So hi everyone, in this video we will going to learn about how to create networks and add two Docker containers to communicate. Okay, so here in this video what we will do, we will create a network, a bridge network, and in that bridge network we will add two Docker containers. Okay, and then we will make both of the Docker containers to communicate within that network with each other. Okay, so this is what this is the task we will going to perform in this video. So I will start this video. So you can see on the screen that I have open this VM, which is called as our virtual machine. Okay, and this is our Ubuntu. Okay, let me show you a name. Okay, and name a and host name CTL. Okay, so you can see this is virtualization software, which is VMware, and operating system is Ubuntu 24 LTS. Okay, so you can see here, right? So this is how we are going to do. So first of all, what we will do, as you can see that we are in this container, we are in this Ubuntu. Okay, so let me show you. I have created two Docker files. Okay, so these are the Docker files. First one is Pune, second one is Sakari. Okay, so let me show you that what are the contents of these Docker files. So you can see base image from Ubuntu here, from Ubuntu, from the Docker hub repository we will pull this Ubuntu image. Okay, latest Ubuntu image. Then we will update this image, and finally we will going to execute the bash command. Okay, so these are the some packages which we want to pack inside this image. Okay, so you can see here, this is for the update of the Docker container, right? So after the Docker container created, it will update it. It will install all the packages one by one, like ping, network tools, curls, duplicate, vim, nano, and all this stuff. Okay, so these all these module, all these packages and commands will be installed automatically by this command on this Docker container. So this is the Docker container of the Pune Docker file. Now the Sakri is also the same. Okay, so this is also same, just the name is differ, right? So as you can see, both the Docker container images, Docker file images are there, right? So first thing what we will do, we will use a Docker command, right? As this Docker command is like docker build -p, right? Then give the Docker file name, then -t, yeah, what we call as image name, right? This will be image name, and here will be the path, right? So this command basically we will use. So as you can see on the screen, there that our Docker file is Pune Sakari, and we will give the image name as it is Pune and Sakari, right? And the path is, we are in the current directory, and the files, Docker files are also in the current directory. What we will do, docker build -f, then the Docker file name, first one is Pune -t. I will give the Docker image name as also Pune, right? And then the path, which is current, and we will hit enter. It will start building the image. Okay, so the image has been done. Now we will create the next image, Sakri, then -t. We will give the Docker image name as Sakri. Okay, so as you can see, the creation of the Docker files and Docker images has been done. Now if you want to see the Docker files, Docker images, are they created or not, so you can see, right? So these are the Docker files and Docker images created, right? Pune and Sakri. Okay, So after doing this, what we will do, we will run this docker file, docker images. Okay, so let me clear this. Now we will run the docker images Pune and Sakari, right? So I will run docker run hyphen d. Okay, then we will give the name of this container as Sakari, right? And the docker image also. Okay, so docker image also Sakari, and I will put sleep, so it will keep on running, right? So this is our docker image name, container name, this is container name, and this is the image name. Okay, okay, so it is running, right? Next we will do same with Pune, right? This is the docker container name Pune, and this is the docker image name which we recently created, right? Okay, done. Now we can see are they running or not. Okay, so you can see both the Pune and Sakari has been created and they are running, right? So we can also log in inside that, execute using this command, then the name of the container which is Pune, right? So this is done. You can see again docker execute hyphen it, then Sakari, again bash. You can see, right? So for now, if I ping from Sakari to Pune, okay, it will tell me that no address associated with the host name. Okay, so currently both of these are not connected with each other, right? So if you want to connect both of these containers, okay, so we have to create a bridge network, okay, using the docker. So for now, both of these containers Pune and Sakri are not communicating with each other, right? And as I have shown you that this is the error which is being thrown by the Sakri container. Also I will show you that what is the Pune container telling us about Sakri. Okay, so it will also throwing the same error, right? So what we will do, okay, we have ran the containers, we check their status, we execute, we go on inside the container, docker container, we check, and finally we check the ping from one to other, right? Each other, they are not pinging right now. Okay, so finally what we will do, we will create bridge network in docker to connect Sakari and Pune docker containers, right? So first step is this command. Okay, docker network, we will use this command, docker network create and then network name. Okay, so we will do docker network create okay, highway. Okay, okay, so highway bridge network has been created. Now if you want to check that whether it is created or not, we can check using this. So you can see here, right? So this is our bridge network. Okay, this is our bridge highway network, right? You can see, so it has been created successfully. Now what we will do, we will add, okay, what we will do, we will add Sakari and Pune Docker containers on highway network. Okay, and finally what we will do, we will add Sakari and Pune Docker container to the highway network. Okay, and how we can do it? We can first of all first add Pune. Okay, so for that, Docker network connect highway add Sakari. Okay, Pune, done. Next, first, okay, second. Now second, what we will do, second add Sakari. For that, Docker network connect highway to the Sakari, right? Okay, both of them has been added to the network. Now finally what we will do, we will ping Sakari to Pune. So Docker execute -it Sakari ping Pune, and you can see now it is being pinging from each other, right? Ping Pune to Sakari, right? Now what we will do, Docker execute -it Pune ping Sakari. You can see, right? So this is how we can add both of the containers on the network, right? Now this is from the outside. Also you can go inside one of the Docker container and then you can ping, right? For example, Sakari. Okay, Docker execute Sakari bash. Okay, so we are inside the Sakari container. Now we will ping to the Pune container. Now you can see we are able to log in, right? Then we will go inside the Pune container, right? From there we will ping to the Sakari container. You can see we are able to do it, right? So this is how we can what we can add both the containers, right? So this is how we can do from each other, right? This is the inspect command. Okay, and you can see containers are added. What are the containers that are that has been added to the highway network? You can see inside the container is the name Sakari and Pune, and you can see the IP address also, right? So this is how we can do it, right? We can do. Now the next thing what we will do, Docker ps. Okay, now the next thing what we will do, we will enable uh, we will enable SSH connection between both of these Docker containers, right? So first of all, execute -it. We will go inside Pune bash, and there I will paste these commands, and it will add up, right? Then we will do the same on Sakri also. Here we are inside the Sakri container. We will do the same on the Sakri container also. And after that we will create a user which is called as India on both the containers, and we will connect using that India user. Okay, if okay, user add India, password India, done. This is for which one? Sakri is done. Now we will do it for Pune. User add India, password India. Okay. Okay, done. So we have set up SSH on both the containers, as well as we have created and dummy user India on both the containers. Now what we will do, uh, docker ps, then docker execute -it Pune bash India. You can see, right? Now we will SSH to the where we are, Sakri. Yes, right. Now I will show you host name. Who am I? Okay. So let me show you docker execute -it Sakri. Okay. So first what we will do, we will connect to Pune from Sakri. Okay. SSH Pune. Now you can see we are on Pune network, right? If I show you host name, it is 13, right? And this one is 56. Okay. So you can see we have been successfully login via SSH to both the VMs. Okay. So we have also successfully configured SSH connection on both the Docker containers, right? So we can go to the Sakri and Pune using the SSH also. So if you want to stop this, we can also stop the containers. Sakri. Okay. Okay, now if I execute docker ps, it will show nothing. Docker ps hyphen a, it will show something, right? So what we have to do, docker remove, we need to clean the images. Okay, then we will do for the sacrals. Done. Okay, nothing is there, right? Now if I go to the images, it will show me docker remove image. Here also we will remove the sacred image. Okay, if I go back, there is no sacred and pune there is there. Okay, so we can start from the crash. Okay, so yeah, this is how we can do it, guys. So hope you enjoy this video, and thank you for watching this video. Goodbye.